1. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq surged. Monday, fueled by Alphabet's big gains and rising expectations of a third Federal Reserve interest rate cut in 2025, shares of the Google parent jumped over 4%, thanks to the excitement around the launch of Gemini 3, which sparked a debate about whether it is better than OpenAI ChatGPT. Jim Cramer said the rate cut story is driving many of these moves after recent comments from New York Fed President John Williams reopened the door for a possible December rate cut. The market is pricing in a 77% chance of a 25 basis point cut, according to the CME Fed. Watch tool investors are shifting back to traditional growth sectors that do not rely on consumer spending, Jim said. And that means Tech 2 Club stock. NVIDIA rose nearly 2%. Monday, after Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said the White House is considering allowing NVIDIA to sell its H200 chips in China, that decision would sit directly on the desk of President Donald Trump. Lutnick told Bloomberg, he said Trump is still weighing all sides of the issue. Jim said he is not saying NVIDIA should be bought right now. He needs to see something first. But if China gets the green light, the stock will skyrocket. Novo Nordisk shares sank more than 6% after a major trial failed to show that its GLP-1 ingredient, semaglutide, slows Alzheimer's progression. Club stock. Eli Lilly, a GLP-1 competitor, traded slightly higher after taking a small hit earlier in the session. Lilly recently became the first healthcare company to hit a $1 trillion market cap last week. Bernstein raised its price target on Eli Lilly from $1,100 to $1,300, and analysts expect Lilly new oral GLP-1 to outperform its $550 million revenue estimate next year. Morgan Stanley also boosted its price target. Stocks covered in Monday's rapid-fire segment included Merck, Carvana, Booking Holdings, and Cummins.